Namo Namaha. We are learning Looking Around of class 5 and we have started with the chapter number 1, Super Senses. So in the previous video we talked about sharp ear. Now in this video we will talk about sounds, send messages. So there are many animals around us who use sound to warn about danger and also to attract a mat. Let us see. High up on a tree, a langur warns others of dangers like a tiger or leopard. The langur does this by making a special warning call. So have you seen langur? So langur is one kind of monkey and they are seen at many places in the Indian subcontinent. When they spot a predator like a tiger or leopard, they emit a series of, and these calls serve as a warning to other langurs in the troop. Birds also give alarm calls to warn about the danger. Some birds even have different sounds for different kinds of dangers. For example, there is a different warning call if the enemy is coming from the sky or if the enemy is on the ground. So generally birds chirp to indicate danger, warning and communication. Crows are highly intelligent birds that have a complex language system and they can make at least 25 different sounds. Fishes give alarm call by electric signals. So fishes use electric signals to communicate. Whenever they sense the presence of a predator in their area, they warn the other fishes by giving warning calls in form of electric signals. Now some animals start behaving in a different way when an earthquake or storm is about to come. People who live in forest and can observe such behavior of animals come to know of the danger. Dog is one example. Dogs could warn you that an earthquake is coming. Even some animals can sense the changes before an earthquake. Here I am giving you one example. In December 2004, few tribes that live in the forest of the Andaman Island noticed the animals behaving in a different manner. They guessed some danger, so they moved away to a safer part of the island. Soon after, the islands were hit by the tsunami, but these people were saved. Even the elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Zoo animals rushed into their shelters. So these were some signals before tsunami. So the people guessed some danger and they moved away to a safer part of the island. This is how these people were saved. So animal warns about danger by various sounds.